kumusta yung pangako mong tanggalin na itong single confinement policy ng PhilHealth?
Yes, Senator, if I can ask Attorney Eli to address the question.
Mr. Chairperson, as stated earlier, when asked by Honorable Senator Tulfo, we will include the removal of this provision on single period of confinement when we implement or we come up with a policy on the increase of the case rates, probably from 30 to 50% increase. So in that policy, we will include a deletion or removal of the policy on
Bakit kailangan nyo pang sabayin? Bakit hindi nyo nalang tanggalin muna itong single confinement policy while studying the increasing of case rates?
Yes,
Anong connection nun sa increasing case rates ninyo? Ito, i-remove niyo itong single confinement policy. Pwede nyo i-remove na po itong single confinement policy ninyo.
Yes, Mr. Chairperson will comply immediately. We'll remove it.
Hindi mo mapigilan ang pneumonia, hindi mo mapigilan ang bleeding pag maselan yung pagbubuntis, hindi mo mapigilan ang pasintabi lang po sa inyo kumakain dito. Pag nagka-diarrhea tayo, ako mismo kumakain ako sa mga street foods. Kahit saan lang ako kumakain sa tabi-tabi. Hindi natin mapigilan, magkasakit rin tayo, magsakit yung tiyan natin. Bawal yung single confinement policy ninyo. Kalokohan po yan. Napakakalokohan. Illogical po yung single confinement policy. Please lang, bilisan nyo na. Huwag nyo lang isabay sa mga case rates increases ninyo. Unahin nyo po itong single confinement policy. Dahil maraming mga pasyenteng naghihingalo, nangangailangan ng tulong.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
We shall comply, Mr. Chair.
At saka hinihingi ko muli, hindi yung cross my heart, puro promise. I need your commitment dito sa removal of single confinement policy. Pwede ba natin marinig?
Sir,
Tatanggalin nyo yung single confinement policy?
we commit.
When? Kailan po?
We commit before month end, Mr. Chair.
So, tatanggalin na yan.
Before month end, Mr. Chair. And then, Mr. Chair, if I may, just to add, no, I committed to Congress yung increase in case rates by the end of the year. Ngayon, binalikan ako ng Congress. Sabi na masyadong matagal yan. Gusto nila sana by plenary. So anyway, what we'll do, we're working so hard, we'll try our best. So I think ang safe is within 30 to 60 days po. Hindi kailangan year end. 30 to 60 days we'll come back with the increase in benefit package.
So ibig sabihin before the month ends?
Yung single period of confinement.
Yan.
Before
the end of September, tanggal na yung single confinement policy?
Yes po.
Okay. Etong case rates, kailan nyo tatasan?
30 to 60 days po.
So before the end of
Gawin mo ng 60
October.
days po, Senator.
Before the end of October?
Yes po. Before the end of November po.
Okay. Benefit packages, expand nyo? Dadagdagan nyo pa?
Yan na yun, yung increase in benefit/case packages po. That one po, before the end of November. Yung single period of confinement, before the end of September, before month end. Yun po.
Kasama na yung dental? Ito.
Not yet po. Yung dental po, before the end of December po.